Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is the final two cards in the card collection from 49 and Market. I got it from my little scrapbook store, and down in the more section there will be links to all of the product, okay? So with this collection, you can kind of see I have the pieces. It's the last large flower, and we're going to do this one sideways because once again, you can see some writing in the way they have it. It's evident that that's the way that the wording or the card is supposed to go. But if you don't care, you could totally turn this on its side and work it that way as well. I love the rainbow on the end of the card, so that's why I saved this one for last, because I just thought it was so pretty. The card itself was pretty even before I do all of the rub-ons. So this kit collection, the card kit, you get rub-ons, flowers, and butterflies, and then you also have the sentiments that have hearts all over as well as rub-ons. So you can add the heart accents. You could add the butterflies I put at the back of all of the envelopes as a way to kind of make it kind of fancy. But with this one, we're going to put the hello, and then I'm also going to add a heart. I want to say I add a couple of hearts. And then we're going to lift that up. So look at that. It's a really pretty sentiment. Just a little heart right there. Like you're sending a little love. And that flower is so pretty. So I'm going to grab another one of these hearts. And I think I have that one. And then there's a smaller one. I'm cutting these for, I think, the other card. Hold on one second. I have them here while I'm doing the recording. You would think I would know if I put all the colors. I may have put all the colors only because it's rainbowed at the bottom. So why not, right? I have tons of hearts. I've barely used them. So I was like, yeah, let's grab a couple of colors. The pink one, yellow, and an orange, and all the different shades would tie into the rainbow we have going along the bottom, sort of that row of color down there. So that's what we're doing. And I'm just spreading them all over. And they're so tiny, they're really quick to just rub on, and then you just take the plastic off. Sometimes the plastic likes to stick, but it's okay. And then I was like, well, I want another one. Let me see if I can find. This one is like a lighter pink. And we're going to put it up here, I think. And of course, I'm not rubbing as fast. I have sped up the video. Otherwise, we'd be sitting here forever. And you guys get the idea with the whole rubbing on thing. And then what I love about these sentiments is if you wanted to, you could put them on the inside of the card. Sending love, or you could say hello. And then on the inside, it could just say thank you. You know what I mean? Like, you don't have to save, right, all of those other pieces. You could use them in the other cards that we've created, but the amount of stuff that's left, it really isn't a whole lot, and you can use it on any cards, whether it was with this collection or not. Do you know what I mean? As long as it's in that color scheme, why not? So now I'm going to grab the butterfly. I got the pink one, and I'm going to kind of trim around it. And anything that's kind of sticking off the edge will rub on around, like above the butterfly. And we're just going to rub that on and take that off. And then the little bits that I had, I'm just going to kind of place the pieces kind of around. Because it's just little bits. That's one of the things about 49 and Market. They do a lot of details with their rub-offs. So there's like distress and like dots and layers of things that it's showing, you know what I mean? And so you could miss some of those little bits, that little bit of detail, but you can just place it someplace else and still use it, and it all goes together. It ties together. So for our next one, because I missed a week in June, this video is actually going live on July 1st. But I will be still doing the July cards, obviously going forward from, what would that be? I think it's the 8th on. So that's when our July series will start. So I thank you guys for being patient with me. I just, life sometimes gets the best of you, and next thing you know, you've missed a week. But here we are, we're at the conclusion, and I'm just sharing with you again those little bits that we have left over, and we have a nice card collection that would be really great to give to someone as a gift, or to even, I know this is a wild idea, fill them out and send it to somebody who might just need, a hello. So I'm just laying out all the cards that we did, the envelopes, and then I think there's one more set. There they are. That was last week's. So fun. And then the envelopes. All right, so 8 cards all together. What a great collection, and it was really fun to use. So if you see a collection like this from 49 to Market, I highly suggest that you guys go out there, get the kit. It's so easy to use, and it's fun. And you come up with ideas of where you want to put images and stuff like that, but you get great products to work with. Once again, thank you guys for joining me. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and share button. Links to my little scrapbook store will be down in the more section. So please, please, please check it out. She's a private owned, scrapbooking company, and I highly suggest using her. She's really a great people. Okay. So thanks again, you guys, and I hope you have a great holiday weekend.